welcome to the University of Glasgow. My name's Craig and I'm a physiology researcher. I study blood vessels. And in this building here, which is the West Medical Building, is now called the Sir James Black Building, I use laser scanning microscopes to study cells and small pieces of blood vessel. Now this building now here is 115 years old, whereas this building over here, if you could just follow me, this is the University of Glasgow Advanced Research Centre, and in that building on level 2 there will be a virtual reality level, a floor where members of the general public can come into the building and see the type of research that's being done using virtual reality. Now, virtual reality is a very innovative technology, and you may be wondering, well, how could we use virtual reality in biological research? And that's what I want to tell you about next.
So here is my oldest laser scanning microscope. It's over 25 years old and is still working well. It's controlled by the computer on the left, and the laser diodes are controlled using this little box in the middle. And here we see the control unit for those 3 lasers. And here are those laser beams scanning a cell on the microscope slide. We then view the 3D cell in a type of software that is used to create special effects and animations for movies. This software enables us to make quite realistic models of our cell using lighting and textures. And here is a very basic animation. Recently, we have created a public gallery of different types of models provided by researchers in the College of Medical, Veterinary and Life Sciences. And you can see these for yourself if you visit the Glasgow Life Sciences page on Sketchfab. We took the best of these models and placed them in a virtual reality gallery. The advantage of using virtual reality is that you can pick up the samples or exhibits and look inside them. You can even throw them around the room without breaking them. That's loads of fun, of course, but not very educational. The real advantage of this technology is that it enables us to view very complex structures in a completely new way. Being able to walk around a 3D model is much more informative than simply rotating it on a computer screen using a keyboard or mouse. So we invited our 3rd year physiology students to view the VR data gallery. And here you see the class exploring the gallery in our specially built VR classroom. The students really enjoyed the experience, and they had the chance to examine data sets and structures that normally they would not have access to. So it seems that fully immersive virtual reality is an innovative technology that we will be making far more use of at Glasgow University. Well, I hope you found that interesting, and I hope also that you now see how we can use virtual reality in order to better understand some of the quite complicated 3D structures that we can find within biology. I hope also that once the University Research Centre opens to the public, that you'll have the opportunity to come in and see some of the wonderful virtual reality work that we're going to be doing. And finally, we have been building a virtual reality game to teach students about how cells work. And I'm going to leave you with this little trailer for the game, and I hope to see you sometime. Hope you enjoy this.